Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford Edge fuel gauge malfunction and provides an overview of situations where the fuel gauge may display inaccurate readings, fluctuate unexpectedly, or fail to reflect actual fuel level. Fuel gauge behavior can vary depending on model year, instrument cluster design, drivetrain configuration, mileage, and maintenance history, and the issue may not apply to every Ford Edge. In documented technical information, fuel gauge irregularities may be associated with signal inconsistencies between the fuel level sensing components and the vehicle display systems. In some cases, this can involve changes in electrical resistance values over time, communication irregularities within vehicle electronics, or calibration-related behavior that differs by model year or system design. For certain Ford Edge configurations, fuel level indication behavior has been evaluated as part of broader instrument or fuel system diagnostics, while other cases depend on age-related wear or prior service work. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. From a general service perspective, addressing a fuel gauge malfunction typically involves diagnostic checks of the fuel level indication system and related electrical pathways. Corrective actions depend on inspection results and are not guaranteed to resolve every case. Overall, fuel gauge behavior can vary significantly across Ford Edge vehicles based on model year, usage patterns, and service history. Not all vehicles experience this issue, and causes may differ between configurations. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.